We bought our home 3 years ago. It was a bit of a fixer-upper, and we knew it was going to be a lot of work, but the siding was an old vinyl, had some water damage. The soffits were pretty old as well, and they had been painted over, so they were definitely not allowing any airflow through it, and you can see it peeling. And
the previous owners also didn't install the siding correctly, so we knew that we were going to have to be replacing it eventually.
With that older siding, there was definitely some not structurally closed-knit areas that weren't installed correctly, or just over time it got loosened up, I think, and water damage had allowed space for mice and squirrels to get in.
Yeah, we were having issues for the first couple years just with noises in our bedroom, and so we definitely knew that siding being replaced would help that problem.
So we started looking at James Hardie, and we were like, I think this is something we'd be interested in, and they were one of the top recommended preferred contractors through James Hardie website for our area.
We definitely wanted something that was going to be really high quality, and I felt like after looking at Craftsman website and talking with Ben, they just had a lot of certifications and things. They've been doing this for a really long time, and it seemed like they just definitely were not the people to cut corners, which was really important for us when we were selecting our contractor. It felt like really low pressure sales, and we didn't feel like we were being pushed into anything. We had previously had experiences with other contractors where that was not the case. It felt like everything Ben said, it was like very reasonable pricing, and so we felt like everything that they were doing was very honest, and yeah, we just felt confident like going with Craftsman.